How are you? Today I'm coming with a question from angle and plane figures. This is a question that was tested in the year 2021, paper 1, question number 5. It is one of the questions that I normally refer as a free mark question. Therefore, the question is saying the size of two interior angles of an irregular polygon, each measures 90 degrees. All the other remaining interior angles each measures 150 degrees. Determine the number of sides of the polygon. Therefore, when it comes to this kind of a question, I like when I use a diagram. For example, when we talk about irregular polygon, you can do this kind of diagram. A diagram like this one. I together learners. If you look this diagram, it is an irregular polygon. Therefore, we are told that this irregular polygon, each angle, two interior angles measure 90 degrees. Therefore, we can, for example, take these two angles which are measuring 90 degrees. Then we are told all the other remaining interior angle each measures 150. Therefore, we say from the other one which are 150, they are going to be remaining 150 degrees. Are you together, learners? Therefore, what we know when it comes to the polygon, we have the sum of interior angles and we have the formula for finding the sum of interior angles. The other thing, learners, you need to note down properly is that the number of angles are equivalent to the number of sides of any irregular polygon. Therefore, we have said that the sum of interior angle, formula to find the sum of interior angle, sum of interior angles is this: n minus 2 to bracket 180. This is the formula to find the sum of interior angles. And they are the one which we are talking, all the angles that are inside this irregular polygon. Therefore, what we are going to do is that we are going to say the sum of interior angle, this formula, n minus 2 to bracket 180 is equals to these two angles, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus all the other that we don't know, 150 degrees into bracket n minus 2. These two represent these two angles because we are not including them among these ones. Since we are told two angles are 90 and we have taken 90 plus 90 plus 150, all the other angles that we don't know, the number of angles, into bracket n minus these two. We are not including. Are we together, learners? Therefore, n stands for number of sides. Therefore, let us open the bracket first here. Hereby we are going to take 180 multiplied by n. We get 180 n minus 180 multiplied by 2. We get, that is 360 is equals to 90 plus 90 is equals to 180 plus 150 degrees multiplied by n, we get 150 n. Minus, because we have plus and minus, therefore plus multiplied by minus gives us minus. Therefore, 150 multiplied by minus 2, we are going to get minus 300. Are we together, learners? Then, from there, let us put the right terms together. We have 180n and we have 150n. Therefore, these two, we put them together. But before that, we have an equal sign here. Therefore, let us connect the like terms together. Therefore, what we are going to do, we are going to first of all to work out these two, whereby we are going to have 180a minus 360 is equals to 180 minus 300. 180 minus 300. What does it mean? It's like to say you have 180 shilling and you have a debt of minus 13, a debt. When you go to pay 180, you are going to remain with a debt of 120. Therefore, it means 180 minus 300, that is minus 120. Therefore, we are going to have this one first, 150a minus 120. Are we together? Therefore, let us collect the like terms together. We pick this one, take it to the other side. It is going to be minus 6 is plus. And then we take this one to the other side. It's going to be plus 6 is minus. Therefore, we are going to have 180 minus 150. 180 a minus 150 a, which is equals to, this one we have taken it to the other side. Therefore, we are going to have 360 minus 120. What is that? 180 minus 150. We are going to get 30 a is equals to 360 minus 120. We are going to get 240. Therefore, let us find the value of a. How are we going to get it? We are going to divide here by 30. Divide there by 30. Therefore, we get the value of a is equals to 8. And therefore, the question was asking us determine the number of sides of the polygon. Therefore, the number of sides of polygon is 8 sides. Thank you so much. Share the video to your friend and let them also